and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to make a 3-layer smoothie. This smoothie is so beautiful to look at, but even better, it's full of flavor and healthy ingredients. The first layer of our smoothie is our green layer. So here I have my blender and I filled it up with some ice in it, and to that I'm going to add 1 frozen banana. It's already starting to de-thaw because it's so hot outside. Along with 1 fresh kiwi and a large handful of fresh spinach. And I'm going to add half a cup of almond milk, or you can add the milk of your choice. I just love using almond milk for my smoothies. And now we can blend our first layer all together. Now that I've popped my green layer in the freezer to keep it nice and cold, I can start on my red layer. So I have my blender once again with some ice in it, and to that I'm going to add in 3 cups of fresh watermelon, along with half a cup of almond milk. And I'm going to give this a blend together before I add in my frozen strawberries, because my blender is getting a little bit tired with age and it does not do what it used to. Okay, now that I've given it a quick blend, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries. Come on, buddy. And blend it all together now. Now it's time to assemble our smoothie. I have my green layer, and for my white layer, I'm going to be using some vanilla yogurt, and today I'm using coconut yogurt, but you can really use any brand of yogurt you like. And so now I'm going to very carefully put in my white layer. So my yogurt seems to be sinking a little bit, but hey, it'll still be delicious. I don't know how the Delicious Plate does this because her layers are so smooth and pristine. Somehow I messed up, but hey, as long as it tastes good, right? Next, I'm going to add on my red layer. I would say this is more of a 2-layer smoothie. Subtract that 3rd layer. I actually meant to say at the beginning we're making a 2-layer smoothie. And now I think you always need to garnish your drink. So I'm going to add on some fresh watermelon along with a fresh strawberry. Now the most important part, the taste test. Oh, we have some spillage as always. Wow, that is so delicious, and you get so many different flavors, which I absolutely love. And it's so healthy and refreshing on a hot summer day like today. Please let me know if you try this drink and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you manage to get those 3 perfect layers, please let me know because I want to know how to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you love my healthy smoothies, there should be a playlist right here or over here of all of my smoothie recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers! And don't forget to check back in next Sunday because we are making the most delicious and beautiful donuts and coffee milkshake.